Hello and welcome to Freespirit DIY, my new DIY channel on YouTube here. Thanks for joining us if you're seeing this video. I thought I'd do a quick introductory video just to tell you about myself and what the plans are for this channel, and hopefully you come and join us and follow some of our constructions. So I am an average DIYer. I work from home. I build quite a lot of projects. I run a glamping site called Freespirit Glamping. And I've built compost toilets for that and showers off grid, and I built just right behind me here, you can see the little tiny house on wheels that I built a few years back. That was one of my projects I built. I've looked on YouTube how to build things and came up with that. And on this side you can just see behind me here the blue shed, which is my workshop. It's only 12 foot by 7 foot, so it's not very big. It's not really big enough for my workshop, and so I have to do a lot of stuff outside. You can probably see behind me here, my garden is littered with wood and bits and pieces that I'm working on, half-done projects. You can probably see my saw in the background over there. And on this side here, I've got a little portable compost toilet, which I've just finished building for our campsite, and I've got to build another one very shortly. And so that's the sort of thing I'll do. So I'll build various structures and various things. So this log store behind me here as well was one of my earlier projects. I built that out of scrap wood I had lying around. It's not the best construction, but it does the job for the purpose. So I'm going to be doing instructional videos on how to build things. I've got some videos on how I built this shed behind me here that I'll be posting up shortly. I built that a couple of years ago now and videoed it at the time. I haven't done anything with those videos yet. So yeah, I'm also going to be doing reviews on certain tools that I'm using, and I've been using some of them for quite a while. Some of them are new tools, and just let you know what I think of these things from an average perspective. Now, I'm not going to be doing professional reviews that are really in detail and technical, because they get a bit long and boring, let's face it. But from an average point of view, for the average projects where I'm not doing this day in, day out all the time, I do it quite a lot, but no, it's not my main trade at the moment. So yeah, I'm just getting going with my YouTube channel here, and I thought I'd drop by and say hello. So if you could like and subscribe our channel, leave us any comments, that'd be great. I'm going to be releasing videos every Tuesday night, around about 8 o'clock in the evening, and I'm going to be, my next video is going to be probably a review video, one of the tools, and I'm also going to be doing another build of this little compost toilet behind me here, which I'll just show you quickly. So this is one I made. It's got a urine separator. It's got a little lift up lid on here. It's got a little door at the front of it. It opens and shuts to make access easy for it. And so I've got quite a lot of videos I've created over the last couple of years, and some new ones I'm making now. So I look forward to seeing you, and please come and join us on our channel. Thanks very much.